I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make coffee jelly with Sago. First, let's prepare the coffee jelly base. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin and 1 cup of cold water. Sprinkle the gelatin over the water in a bowl and let it bloom for about 5 minutes. This step is crucial for a smooth texture. Meanwhile, brew 2 cups of strong coffee and sweeten it to your liking. This ensures a rich coffee flavor in your dessert. Once your gelatin is bloomed, gently heat it in a microwave or over a double boiler until it completely dissolves. This usually takes about 30 seconds. Next, combine the dissolved gelatin with your warm, sweetened coffee, stirring well to ensure everything is fully incorporated. Pour this mixture into a shallow dish, like a baking pan, and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or until it's firm. This chilling time is essential for the jelly to set properly. While your coffee jelly is chilling, let's prepare the sago pearls. Bring 4 cups of water to a rolling boil in a pot. Add about 1/2 cup of small sago pearls and cook them for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. They should become mostly translucent. Once cooked, drain the sago through a fine mesh sieve and rinse thoroughly with cold water. This stops the cooking process and keeps the pearls from clumping together. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Once your coffee jelly is firm, cut it into small, bite-sized cubes about 1/2 inch. In a large bowl, gently combine the coffee jelly cubes, the prepared sago pearls, and 1 cup of your favorite milk or cream. Stir everything together until well mixed. For an even better experience, chill the dessert for at least 30 minutes before serving. Don't forget to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals. Enjoy this delightful coffee jelly with Sago.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.